At the art varies, I will show you some main points how to create our earrings, what we created during our life, that you know all the tips to create it. First of all, we take eye pin and thread, then we make a knot on our pin, we make double knot. As you can see, I already created one more pair in different color and with different flower cap, which is crown, but I must say I like this cap more, but unfortunately I couldn't find in the same shop the same caps. I ordered a bit different ones and I will show you when they will arrive what kind of flower caps I ordered for this model of earrings. And like that you can have as well link to these flower caps, as now I can't give it to you because it's not available anymore. But about these flower caps, you have them in our PDF file material guide. I posted again in our community tab for members link to the guide with materials. And I will take our spinner, and as I showed you before, just spin and take this 6.5 centimeter strand. In this case I took pearl and 3 seed beads. Now I will take crystal and as well 3 seed beads. I skip 3 seed beads and I go all the way up into the crystal and into the all seed beads. Now to secure our strand, first of all we close a bit our loop on eye pin. We enter into the eye pin, pull thread and enter into the loop of our thread and pull. If you see that it is not attached well, you enter one more time into the loop and pull. It should be attached well, this way, and like that we make 10 more strands of 6.5 centimeters.
I would like to invite you to join membership of this channel because there is a lot more interesting tutorials and news. I share behind the scenes, I share my finds, what I buy, from where I buy, and as well I share what clients prefer in my shop, my physical shop, even not online but physical shop, where people go and buy straight away. I test a lot and I share with my members all the information, what I see, what clients prefer, what they're looking for, and how do I do a research. Consider to join membership. This is our community, as well as once a month I go live only for my members, where I share insights, where I share some selling strategies as well as new tutorials. They know everything first. If you want to be part of this community, join my membership and let's continue creative journey together.
Here we are on our strand number 10. Now what we need to do, here is our thread. We enter into the eye pin, we make a knot as we did before with every strand. Now we find tail and we need to make a knot, and after we make a knot we will put tiny drop of the glue on our knot and we will cut our threads. Now I take flower cap, enter. I take 8mm Czech crystal, take my pliers, bend. I will close this loop straight away. This way. As you can see, our second pair is ready, and as you can see, it is not so hard. Technique is very simple, especially if you have special tools. It is very fast and easy. So now I have these two pairs. Hope you will be able to create your own collection of these kind of beautiful earrings.